little sweeter.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. What is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So today is Saturday, but by the time you guys will be seeing this video, it will be like probably in the week that is coming, if life spares for everyone. So before I get into anything else, I want to pick up all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you enjoy my videos, thank you so much. If you like the videos, thank you so much. If you leave a comment, thank you so much. Yeah, so this is actually the first time I am taking up back my device to record a video since I got back from Pimento Villa with my family. And you guys, by this video, I mean, you guys would have already checked out the previous contents that will inform you guys why we were at Pimento Villa. So you all know that my dad got married, so happy about that. Yeah, so my daddy totally off of the market now, off of the market. I used to have some friends who like would say, hey, I like your dad, I'm at boy and perfect for the people that were like the old man thing or something. But yeah, so that's total. Yes, like me not make up that. I have friends who like, especially when my daddy put on him clothes and so yeah. So he got married, and you know that was like a wonderful thing. I posted that video for those who haven't seen it. You guys can go check it out and all of that. So guys, so past Pimento Villa setting and everything now. I'm back in my home scheme. School is on summer break, so that's wow, a wonderful thing I can say, because honestly, like, you know, you hear when like when a teacher said them have a lot to do. And you hear Pitney like say, I'm using reference to like college life. So when I go to college, you just say, oh, teacher didn't know what to do. I Pitney them have everything to do, and teacher then go and like them overworked and everything. Actually, teachers are overworked. I can attest to that. I used to be one of the person who used to complain and pretend like teachers know nothing for them. But being a teacher, experiencing all of those stuff, I can attest to the struggle of all of that. So for the last week, especially when you're working at a small institution, so for the last week, school was so much stress. We don't have any secretary at our work, so the teachers had to do all the paperwork for all the students, and sadly I had 26 students in my class, so the work was a lot. So I was stressed out for that entire last week of school. So I'm super happy now that school ended, and you know, life are going and summer start. All them two message dropping at the staff group about government want we sign up for this and that. But listen, I ain't paying no mind to that, because I'm just trying to live my young life, enjoy myself, and not stress myself over Fayetteville and the JLP and all this people over there. You understand? Because stress. Anyways, guys, so positive things now. I have awesome videos coming for you. As I said, you'll be seeing this video in next week. So I have awesome things coming for you guys next week. So say for instance, the week start already, because and the next video coming in the next week. So for that week now, you guys will be seeing awesome videos. Oh my god, we can't wait. I can't wait. And I don't think I'm gonna be one of those vloggers who, after me enjoy everything, may I come back and post the video. Definitely not. I am going to be posting all of the content in the moment, because I'm that type of person. I like to post in the moment. I like people to see what's happening in the moment. Listen, that's why I'm not here to about them no mind, because them not gonna spoil 2021 summer, because 2020 summer was garbage. So that's why I'm telling you. That's why I'm gonna make you know I'm not fooling up with nothing, because I want the moment to be special. I like a person that passed me, because I'm at the roadside. I like a person passing, see my phone out, and I wonder, why was she talking to the phone? But listen. I know all my pay go. I have to work for when it comes on to YouTube. So my mask put on my bag like it want burst. Okay, watch here. Like it want burst. So today, guys, I am going to Courier. I will be going to grab 2 pizza, because online I see Domino's have buy 2 medium pizza for $1,350. I'm not sure if I really that, but when I go in the app to put in the order, because I wanted to order online and then just go and grab it, so I wouldn't have to wait. When I go, is this going Ochi? Taxi. This is going Ochi. Let's see. So guys, I'm in Ochi and I'm now in Domino's and I'm going to order. So I don't really remember where I left off the video, but I guess I'll fill in what needs to be filled in. Alright. Hi guys, so I hope you guys are hearing me. Sorry, I ordered my pizza. I went and run a little errand, and now I'm going back to Domino's, because I came to Ochi to do 2 things. But while leaving Domino's, walking through, what's the name of this plaza though? I have no idea what's the name of this plaza, but I'm going to turn on the camera and show you that there is now a Crocs in Courier. So I'm going to turn on the camera, show you, and then if you guys know the name of this plaza, then you can comment it. If I see the name for this plaza, I'll show you, but I don't think there's names, so let's see. Alright guys, so the plaza, so the Crocs are here. What's this? Sun's Plaza. Yep. The name is Sun's Plaza, and it looks like this when you're walking in. So I'm going to show you guys where Crocs is. It's right in the corner. So if you guys want Crocs and whatever, I was actually thinking about getting a Crocs for what's coming up. I'm going to tell you about. But I was thinking about, oh my god, I have to go to Kingston, and I'm going to buy the Crocs in it, and I order the nice things sweet. So I'm going to show you the store itself though first. So it's behind these buses. I know I spotted some things in my pocket. Anyways, I went ahead and ordered the cute things them for the Crocs. I'm going to bite it. So this is it. So we are going inside to check out the prices them, to see what are the different prices they have. So I'm leaving Crocs, and I didn't even listen. I wasn't buying anything, but I wanted to see the prices, because kiddies size can fit me for sure. Kiddies size can fit me for sure. But I was asking her if they, what is it, biddies, something like that. There's something you put on it. I'm not sure. But I was asking her if they have like the pack, and she said the one that she have is 3 in the pack, and it's $1,600 for the 3. I bought a pack on Amazon with 25 in it, and it was how much? How much was it? It was about $9 something I saw. But she said sometimes the ones that you see on Amazon, they're not the real one, because if it's not 3D, if it's just flat, it's not the real deal. So let's see when I get those, if it's gonna be the real deal or fake. May I go back in now? Let me know now. Them leaves 15 minutes, so hopefully 15 minutes come and gone. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, listen. Oh no, that's all that's all he's up to since school holiday. He must live in best teenage life. Correct now, he's not an adult. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to do a self-care at home kind of thing. So I've been wanting to do this for some time now because look at this. My face is terrible. Blackheads span blackheads span blackheads. I don't really have much whiteheads. But today I'm gonna start off with my face. So I researched and I found this what I call it, blackhead whitehead extraction mask thing. So you do it with egg. So you use the white part of the egg, you take out the yellow part, which is the yolk. Yeah, not gonna do nothing. It's like good protein for your face.
Protein and food.
So where you go?
In your belly.
In your belly. So protein are good for your skin in general. Anyways, people, so I'm gonna start with my face. So I'm going to do the mask. So that's the egg mask. I'm going to show you guys the stuff I'm going to use, and probably show you guys how I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to do my hair, treat my hair, because I realized the last time since it was permed, kind of a lot of loose hair coming out, so not sure what is happening with that. And then I'm going to do my skin, which I'm going to apply this body smoothing scrub. I'm not gonna show all of that in the video, and then do a little skin leg shaving and so forth. So with no more rambling, let's get right into this video. So guys, I just boiled the kettle, so the water is in this. I'm gonna pour the water in this bath, and then after like I'm gonna steam my face for about around 8 minutes. Yeah, hopefully I can manage the steam because the water is really hot. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover my head with a towel and just hold my face over in it. And then I have the egg white right here, so I just beat it out a little. And then after you apply the egg white, so I'm going to use this makeup brush to apply it. And then it's like I separate the toilet paper, so you know you get the two of these make one, right? And I just separate them, and then after I put the egg white, I'm gonna place it on my feet. You guys are gonna see everything. Hopefully I show everything. Alright guys, so steaming for probably about, what makes me about 5 minutes. This is how your face you know show. This opens your pores, so I'm gonna move to the next step of my face. So yeah,
Just wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. out.
So my face is getting stiff. My face is getting stiff. I'm not sure how long this should stay on the face for, but I guess based on how it feels, you know when to take it off. So let's see in the next 5 minutes what's gonna happen. I look crazy, right? Babe say I shit paper me up on my face.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now
Alright guys, so I did went ahead and burst as much blackheads as possible out of my face. So now I am going to apply a scrub to my face.
when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You.
Alright guys, so I just washed off the exfoliating scrub. Did you guys see how bulky my face was just now? This is my face after using that product. Not sure if it's the best, but that's how smooth my face is looking now. Now I'm going to use this Ren Radiance Renewal Mask, and it says I should leave it on my face for 10 minutes. So I guess that's going to carry, you know, I give back the curl. I don't know.
Turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again.
So guys, I decided to do my hair. So the brain is a little bit far off. I don't know where my brain is at. Yes, my hair look bad. That's because it has not been combed in probably about 3 days. Anyways, I totally forgot to feature me blending up the egg, aloe vera, and regular ear conditioner, but I use tea tree. So tea tree, it's kind of minty, very good for, let me show you my dog. So this is my conditioner. I use tea tree mint conditioner, tea tree mint conditioner, a rich conditioner with Australian tea tree and tea tree and peppermint oil, nourishing and hydrate your hair to avoid strand breakage and frizziness. Best use after moisturizing tea tree shampoo. I had the tea tree shampoo, but it is finished, so I use like regular shampoo. I don't really like using this shampoo. I'm using White Rain. Not the best for your hair because it's a regular shampoo, like regular. Sometimes I use the Tresemme, kind of like that, make my hair feel good. I don't like Dove dry up my hair. Yeah, so I was using the shampoo and the conditioner for this, but as I said, it's finished, and I bought these in Canada, quite a amount of them, and them reached the last now, so I need to try and order some or see where I can get them. Yeah, because this is very good. So I'm gonna do my hair
So we can fly again. Trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 So we can fly again.
So I did went ahead and covered my hair, so I'm just gonna do little knickknacks around the house, and during that waiting time I just gonna give it probably about 30 minutes, you know, because I don't have like artificial heat to add to it. So just give 30 minutes, do here and there things, and I'm going to do shaving, and then after I finish shave now I can go ahead and take a shower and just rinse this out. So to do the shaving I'm going to use this sensitive shave cream. It's a mousse, a razor, whatever, Spanish talking, blah blah blah. Super Max, yes, I got it in Dollarama in Canada for $1.50. I got 2 big razors here, and then after the shave I am going to scrub down one spot, but this time is going to be my body, like, you know, skin down to the leg section. So yeah. All right guys, so we came to Domino's and we're getting pizza again. So I mean, the last clip you guys saw, that was up in the week, and it's today is what?
Which up in the week of last?
No, it was up in the week, it was Monday. You don't know what this looks so bad?
What's up in the business?
So we came and got the same thing. So the clips that you guys saw, I did not get to include the actual slices and the wings. So this time I hope I remember and I get to do that. So now we're heading over to the supermarket to get a few knickknacks. We came to the supermarket last week, Monday, and the house empty already. Which one?
Yeah.
What, the under? That's the fucker?
The woman in there.
Oh, why is it that?
Well, I see, I passenger seat and it you know, now woman in car.
Oh my god. So we're going to the supermarket now, and I said today is Thursday, right? Yeah. Thursday, somewhere about the today what date? 15th, yeah. Today the 15th, so supermarket run now. Hi guys, so I said no, I forgot. But I definitely need an avocado. No, I want one pear, Grizzle. One pear.
Pear?
Yes. How much for it? In a beer, 100. What do we eat? Hi guys, so we're in Champion and we want pear.
Country combined here and a country.
And a country are there, babe. Ochi is the North Coast, it's not country. North Coast.
Ochi come in the backyard and say, I'm not combined with a country.
Listen, I need a pear.
This is not country, me pear tree since start.
Which pear tree? I need a pear, I need at least one. Which one pear ripe? Which one me can go and go eat now? More one me can go and go eat now.
I can't peel up please.
Can you shut up?
This right.
That looks sick.
So, then me I tell her foolishness, then everything else I'm putting.
Alright, let's try get one. So in Jamaica, in the supermarket, I'm not sure if this happens in all the supermarkets, but when shopping, like you have, do I put this here? Because I'm skeptical about in Charlie organization, and you see me? To him. I'm always wanting Charlie fix up brand new and start out well. So the security is like them watch you like you got teeth something or it's like them come on in corner and you want all of them something. Yeah. What's that? Car sleep, so yeah, the price they wanna have. Oh, the price. Black plums.
I have one tree better.
Yeah, we have parsley tree. So yeah, look on just the price.
Which way then peach?
Black plum. I think this is the peach where you ask for from what you know. I'm not saying peach, but a black plum that. Alright. So we got the pear and the cheese. We don't want it there, so. Watch him trying to figure out what is he going to take up to make tea. So we're not getting nothing much because as I said, we went to the supermarket Monday and we are on E already with food I had. So we kind of just a touch up though, really. That's what we're doing. So I'm getting him chocolate mix. Guys, I mean, the higher the prices get, the emptier the bag them be. I don't like to know. Watch out. This a bag and I have nothing in there. Not a thing in there. Not a thing. The higher the price of the emptier them get. And them so dear. Huh? My God. Choose one. Guys, what's your favorite Pringles? So we have sour cream, cheddar cheese, barbecue, cheddar sour cream. Have we ever tried the cheddar sour cream, babe? You wanna try it? What? You try when you wanna try it, right? Alright, we need a bread, a dog bread, and then that would be it. So we're at the liquor section, and babe, so this is how you're going to enjoy summer by drinking alcohol. So he
No, I never said so.
That what you said?
I never said so.
You said that's how you're going to enjoy your nights for the summer. What did you say? So he got a flask Smirnoff. What is Sky water? Sky vodka. Yep. What else? Huh?
Yeah, look.
Guys, after I remember some I was showing the entire box of pizza. This is what is left. This is what is left from the pizza, and this is like the next day. Today is Friday, and I'm editing and totally forgot that I did not feature it. So, boo-hoo to us. Just 2 slices left. One for me, one for Odin. And guys, the pear them ripe. The pear were grizzled like us for in the supermarket, they are ripe. So we're gonna have these for dinner today, and this is where I'm gonna end out the video. I'll see you guys on the vlog. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.